my name is Rebecca Lyons, and I'm Head of Culinary Development here at eMeals, and we are super excited to tell you about our newest bonus collection, 15 Best Budget Bowls. Bowls are the perfect weeknight solution. You can customize them for your picky eaters or for your people in your family that'll eat anything. And the first one we're going to talk about is a toasted cornbread and barbecue chicken bowl. The first thing we're going to make is cornbread croutons. And if you've never had a cornbread crouton, you are missing out. So I've got cornbread that I've just cubed up, and I'm going to add some melted butter. I'm going to drizzle it over it. And a good shortcut would be to buy the cornbread that's already made in the deli. That way you don't have to make it yourself. And all you have to do is cube it up and toss it with melted butter. And then we're going to bake it at 400 for about 10 minutes until it's browned and crisp. And here are our crispy croutons. They are buttery, they are crunchy, and they are delicious. So to assemble our bowls, to tell you what I've got here first, I've taken boneless, skinless chicken breasts and I've chopped them up, just cut them up into little pieces and cooked them in a little bit of melted butter and then tossed them with some barbecue sauce. I have frozen corn that I just microwaved. I have red kidney beans that I just drained and rinsed. And then I've got grape tomatoes that I've cut in half and chopped up a green bell pepper. So all of this is going to go in our bowl. And if your kids don't like it, something that's any of this, just take it out or substitute rice or substitute lettuce. Anything that makes the bowl yours and something that your family will eat. So let's assemble these real quick. Got my big bowl, and I'm going to take some croutons, add that in there, and then some chicken that's got the barbecue sauce on it. And then we're going to add a little bit of corn. This is a super easy weeknight meal. You can add what you want and take away what you don't want. Got some beans. And then we're going to finish it with some tomato and some green bell pepper. I mean, so easy, so delicious, and you can have dinner on the table in 20 minutes flat. Now that we've got our bowls assembled, I have a super easy dressing to add to this. It is barbecue sauce and ranch dressing. Couldn't be easier. I'm going to stir in barbecue sauce to the ranch. I'm going to mix it up. And this is a great dressing. You can drizzle it over the top or you can serve it on the side. I'm just going to spoon it into our bowls here. That way, if your kids aren't a fan of dressing, it's on the side and they can use it as a dipping sauce, which my kids always love to do. Anything they could dip was great. And now, dinner is done. So easy, customizable, and delicious. This recipe and all the other recipes in our bonus collection of 15 Best Budget Bowls can be found on the eMeals website or our app. And don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for more easy dinner time solutions.